You have to. I can't be with you after everything.
Asantwa, relax. Asantwa, you don't get how much my feelings have developed for you now. Share Asantwa in the second day jama Asantwa mo. Asantwa I would then metina na Asantwa. Me no ye bon kokwa na mrewa. Asantwa hwe sisi a o misraw Asantwa. Asantwa jama.
Von.
Asantwa. Oh baby. Baby me hu wana me ye majimi boom. Oh, me ye dem sorry I'm tum. Enya me nya vimpo me sorry na me hu Asantwa. Oh baby, me wanna me imagine me boom, besia be. And the men of him put my story na me. Obini me now on can channel them. Fan full as your check in the dread. Woman number now, one fan coming in. 024 for one gen friend. Asantwa he mam cast me chill. Exams to poe katroy. Why drinking kutia no meeting po mutuum dim the Asantwa von beg. And flower see our hair. I won't tea na because flower beer, yeah, the number of times I think about you in one day.
Hey,
Asantwa Miss Share, I'm on my knees. I'm begging. Miss Hey, Asantwa, hey, what's I am in the wa. Mama, pedame Jimonka, mean to me, she budding radzi. Bedding much.
Von, see, I feel guilty.
Guilty then.
She my like me feeling guilty means me no and so in a relationship I can't.
What a fanfulling. The man fanfulling. 5 and 6. Constantly, every day, constant K. Aden. Asantwa, Miss Amen for them fanfulling the fortune chain. But then mouth has them mental. Asantwa, I'm on my knees. I'm begging.
You just stand up.
Asantwa, I accept me and
stand up. Oh. You just give me time to think about it.
Asantwa, epede mema we some time ni na answer na mama answer.
I need to think about it. Assemble cream.
How they say epede we start. Nimejao ai. Betuma.
Okay. See you later.
Okay. Goodbye. I love you. Hey, I mean, words no. Me the one. I'm not telling you, I'm a bomb there. Fresh boy, it's me. You words no me bunk of with him. Fanful and on damn do call. Fanful I'm a tomb who school me call first degree. On my board first class, me call masters, me call PhD. Hey, we jam call BB or PhD to better me emeritus esquire. Hey.
Yeah, me can't quite have the party they come my way. Oh yeah, me I'm in Broso with me yeah. Me person me come
and come on, me bidi, Miss Rowe. A movie into bibia. Movie into a semi yammy pa. Why? Oh, me bano. Akrano, me think kakara. Oh, me think, and yes, what about a move or more than me, my bush and damn. Getting say, oh, what do ye? Oh, a bonka, Timmy per se, or down. Eh, are they?
Nothing no matter now, friend.
Oh, no wonder I say some man and two and you see now some man can you nature say any number baby in kuyi.
I'm listening to you.
Oh, Abba. Miss so, me person wo chire na de mama. Fane se obi bia. Na ni ntina se ni nsua de. Onsu mo bi mi se wa ben. Unima de. Iti no so de na trase. Oba ya na de na trase. Brami nkusua de. Ba say kan brami nkusua de. Ba say junior brami nkusua de. Junior brami nkusua de. Eno ano no. Obi sua de abu sa aka ni tim na ni abra fere de bia de sua nko a. What? Yes, how do you mama? What?
First of all, thank you for trusting me and believing that I'm intelligent. But I can't do that.
Are they?
I just don't want to be involved with you. If it were to be just him, maybe I would have done it. But I don't like your behavior and what you do. So, I don't think I can do that.
Hey, what bo what damn? What yale papa what si jom? What bodam nam keje tie dem ji run about what? What's me na aka tell me say me won pemi suban pemi me nam my bodam me nam e na me kasa e na me ye ne me mfa so ni so. Me boa.
You see, you're just proving me right. Asema me can no one I wish.
Pepe ne. Eno na wo kan na me penyum benya me besra wade a wo apraketo wo jemanim etimi nya gas ka kere me say me suban enye.
Gats. You, if you pay me, I can consider.
Oh, film so wa bon se kru no tell school mo enye concern e consider keke. O to enye concern e consider keke. Exam say wo kwa mi say teachers wo mu nyina no wada sitiri e na obi aboa ba utimi ejutwa. Chepepe ne. Oh, flako no a. Die na onim. Wa tro centru ka je. We nim sa buduaba. Afi anyi ni
Okay.
But see some we come go friend cry here dey. Akure so bon. Precious, please I'm sorry, okay?
Find a place in your heart. Forgive me.
You see your face, Hancho. Me forgive.
Please. Hey, listen. I'll do everything you want. I don't know. Just name it, and I will do it for you. Please. I'm begging you. Don't break up with me.
Please. You know, it's gone too far. So right now, I don't want any discretion in my mind. That's why some period, no. I don't want to put my heart into a broken heart or a broken heartless.
Listen, I understand you. I understand, but I know who caused this. It is my brother. I know Adams did this. He is my brother, and I know what he is capable of.
He has did what?
I know he's the one who.
Do your brother my friend?
Alan Catherine.
Adam, somewhere here.
Everyone. Digital.
Bruh, over is an over.
Now you see. I knew it. Me say Adams in the best way. Madam Catherine, please. I am begging you. He is my brother. I know what he is capable of. Washada, baby, I'm a little person say he just wants us to break up.
So do you truly love me from your heart?
I love you from the bottom of my heart. So you can't just look at my face, hey. Look into my eyes.
No, I don't wanna.
Madam Catherine, you know I can't do without you. You know it's you and you alone.
I'm going to take a time and think about it. So
listen. And yes, I feel I'm a pal. We are together already, and something happened. I am trying to apologize to you. So what is me doing?
I am going to give an advice to my pillowcase, and then I'll give you feedback. So what's your problem?
Really? Hey.
Of course.
Listen to me. All I want you to know is, it is you and you alone, Madam Catherine. I can't love anybody.
Hello. Because you know what I want always. That's why I took you from investing in you.
I know.
But you doesn't that.
Listen, I really cherish everything that you are doing for me. Huh? And I can't take your love for granted, Madam Catherine.
Let me go and think about all.
Hey, come on.
Hey, no, I said I'm going to think about it. Let me go and sleep. Then my pillowcase will give me advice.
Listen, I know what you want, right? And I've decided to surprise you. I know.
Of what?
Of what?
I don't know what you're talking about.
You know what I'm talking about. So are you still going to think about it?
What kind of surprise? I want to know.
You know what I'm talking about, eh?
I don't know anything. You have to mention that.
Really?
Yes.
I want to go and squeeze you.
Are you serious?
I am very serious. You're blushing, right?
Let's go.
But listen, I have the shit up. Yes, sir.
Why?
You need to. You see, it is kitchen. You work at the kitchen, so I'll say at times, so you have to freshen up.
Jenny Hajimu. Jenny.
Yes.
No.
Go and freshen up, okay? I'll be waiting for you, Mama. And one more thing. You know my calculator is missing. I have to buy a new one. I'm almost here 700 cedis.
I'm gonna buy it for you. So you say we are going to the room.
Mm-hmm.
Ta.
Yes. Okay. So I'm coming.
God. Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me ya. Me person me come any months so ya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pen kwa me know the parties they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso.
Iddi. Sir.
Asantua.
Yes. Alex, Scanty, kasa Santa na menko.
I don't know.
Then I want to see.
I don't know why.
I'm not sure anyone coming. What am I doing now?
Precious.
Scanty.
They're precious.
They are alright, why? Scanty kasa na meko yukusua ade no. Yukusua ade.
Na mo kwen.
Yukusua ade na he kusekira.
When the precious yukusua ade.
Ai, ade.
Eh. Rasa santo. Me oh, me ko ba Asantua. Oh, to be it. Come on. Think they are just one day now in the same Islam. Asantua is precious. Yes, again, yes, is army. Oh, you know, Asantua, precious. I'm going to do the papa. Yes, sir. Asantua. I didn't know what Sam.
I didn't dare.
There's some saying, then I go to school as a same.
Then I go school as saying, then I'll patch him in Tassie.
I'll be never be consummate, then I go to any precious in terms of.
I didn't see.
Some say I don't say only precious. My baby close. I don't say my uncle fast as I castle any.
At the school, how on be taking decisions, Mamma.
That be Asantua. Say, me no take decisions. No, Asantua. Me no mean any address. Say, ye can't to my bonina. Ye can't to my bonina. They are time precious. This only precious. No from full and answer about the one.
And then to man Sunny. Why? And to man Sunny. See, Sunny family and na father.
Tabina Asantua say, no man, intimate me there. Me days is here.
What you they say? Then I'm on a ball, so be a bonny bra.
That be the say all the ma frost wrong no ko jamesi wo.
Me ma do afro shuru. Me do afro shuru. Ona pese o tan obi enu e wasem o. Wa be pa ma cho no me hu say oh ehun yen o se me de che no obi e movie on. Na
da no me ka cho say precious abepa ma cho den na o ka kire me. Wan kan che me se ma me ntia se me enkoso ntan ge no.
Na
ana do be pa ma cho wa ti ase.
Me nyansa me na me ntufu me na me nche o de obe.
Asantua is wicked, pound.
Hey, who is wicked? Oh, fu. What's the den? Which one was a for? Tim the den, the wicked and cassa. Who the wickedness now draw even now.
Asantua, so once you wicked, didn't me buy me no me near came to my bar. No senka, a man aside who play wicked. Now makes me play wicked or man aside neither. Near Kabu. You say I don't
why. I didn't done it. Until they cause I wicked sin. Me they say I'm a sound. Assistant say me de me ho abomo musua de o school mu ha sei si am pese me come ni mu abrabo mtimi sua de o ba won se tame sua de
oh santo atima kuma timakuma
mato akuma say
to school mu sene me no we din komo say ye be time amfo ni play week do school mu sisi aredo wa sisi wa ma bedane eyi o madane ankona
Scanty sa ro ne de fa why say me ma sesa o Masisa Saro.
Abi asantu asisi a school mo bi amene no be ka bom se bia yedi boni bia na nipa na twenu afiri mo so
So wonya wadwum bone no doso. Wadwum bone na no wode. We wiki too much. Enye sisa.
Na ada na obonu so be sesa so ka kire me na emi enu na etina se. Na e fa ya ho adwene emi enu atwe ho firi. Sisi amakwati aka mama me no no. Because me say corporations ne fa full anim
enye yi sese. Enu no ansa we ka kire so we sorry. So we nipa wo de be chew. Enye yi sese. Do person chese sisi anu wickedness no wake muntimi sisa wuti we hwe enye yi.
Bible say me de obi anim say mente sabai sa na obi adwene ye no. So what is it?
Wo ntisa.
Asantu a.
Misuade, obai won se misuade. Misuade, me ni abere. Next week, your try exams. Come ko suade.
Your try exams next week into suade, and I say we any subject storybook.
Storybook any English ni show and I Latin.
Okay, you have for book.
Kwa misua. You keep pressing.
Santu ada na
sisa. Ding.
Santu a. See. For adwema. Ni enkambo. Ni entoa de ye no so.
Onu wan kambo ntoa. Den na ye ntoa.
Santu onim se ni e diga enani. Ge no on sheda anya ehwe de but ya sheda ma na ye se de waye bibi. Ani ye di nani.
Baby, o de na broken heart na de yes how. A broken heart na true because as a girl they jaw na as a would broken heart yes I dey
so broken heart achi me gain won kumba
wo kumba so apa macho me dey ache no apa macho me dey ache no after all dey na obetimi aya fa ho esi awie untimi nya hwe fa ho me dey ache no
so to onim so the said debi wo de be che na dey ntina e wo say o ma me de me hu nyina akohyem sa
wo do hu nyina akohyem ne na mente ase no wo do hu nyina akohyem sese you hu free me
wo ku ba no otimi de ache no me awatema akoma na nka mente fa nche no
na e ba ku ni akoma tie ne de hin na ano edi Scanty sisa o
abi asanto esa de na emi sese no na school man de me say me de beba osu de oni de enim nyina
she wo de beba me
school man de oni de enim nyina o say me started de ba osu
wo de beba me Scanty mi tonya me ka mo say me sisa Scanty mi donya mi di akwa me bo me ko wo de e pa ha de kejuwa me do no me bo me ko wo de beba me so agwo we ni so sa boy we say me de beba o so wo de why no ni pa no so e na pese o try e na pe wo de family ago na he me so wasema
so dia go abetima bo me
ko bi so Opoku no mo ncheche o why she me catch was ma Scanty no o say ma sisa na nye ne papa mu o bisisi na ma sisa mi di me lemu enti no wa open en fa ho mba because wo do ho ba we me ja wade
asanto as say the enemy so make catch you prepare for war you say school mu me no you be di eni gidi
one me wo
you be di eni gidi
one me wo Scanty me dunya mu who ye say o me nsa no who ye say
if I am to bet
who ye say
you to bet ye di eni o school
e fi na ko me ne o
asanto say so you do 1 month to school when just
Scanty me dunya mu be dwane o nem
be dwane me nem
be dwane o nem be dwane she me na 9 months ni say ko amatimi afa sa ni gba se ni me yi nyina wo na wo ka we tafre kra ma me we tafre me di pabo be bo say pa no
I wanted to come to you, Precious. I saw you and Asantua yesterday. What's going on?
Reconciliation.
Real what?
Conciliation. We decided to I decided to go to her and then talk to her to reconcile. I feel like in this world you are supposed to be cool with the people around you. So I had to go and apologize and then tell her that we have to settle everything. And I realized that It's affecting me. It's affecting me so.
And now she's your friend.
Oh no. I'm now talking her through it.
Listen, Precious, there is no problem if you guys decide to settle any misunderstanding between you guys. But that doesn't mean she's your friend. Asantua can be your friend, you know.
I didn't say she's my friend.
I saw you guys. I am not asking. I saw what was going on. You later come and call me. Asantua did this, Asantua did that. Like, Precious, please set limitations. Set boundaries. This girl is not your friend. You know, right? So, no. Why did you even go to apologize to your wife? For what happened? Huh?
I'm the one who caused
it. Oh.
I initially apologized to her, but later I insulted her and fought with her. So.
Again. Precious, listen to me. There is no problem if you decide to talk to her. But I know that Asantua is somebody that you don't have to play with. She is not your friend. She can't be your friend. You understand? Now that she has forgiven you, go your way. Don't play with her. Don't even go around her. Eh?
I even wanted you to talk to Fanfula for me.
Oh, Vaughn. Why?
We had some issues and I said some bad things about him. So, can you please tell him that I'm sorry and all that?
Oh, come on. Canny.
I've tried talking to him, but he's not minding me. And you are the last.
And you think he will mind you if I talk to him? How sure are you? Huh?
I know him.
You know him? Why don't you talk to him?
He's not minding me.
Well, I will try. Did you insult him? That's the reason why you want me to apologize to him. Alright, I will try. I will try talking to him. But Precious, please. Nowadays, I don't know. You are changed, Precious. Why? Why are you doing this to yourself? Today this, tomorrow this, today this, tomorrow that. Why? You offend you. I'll try. I'll try my best.
Thank you. I'm going. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we me ya. Me pesa me come any months.
I didn't mean that. Me my wiade.
On say we are.
So na to na me kwa ko. Mo de mo mama bia fa ne san ka mba pe ba.
Tell go nchi sim ne oka bia o papa na enwa.
Bonitiro.
We wi ade na ka jo so o papa. School mo aba na confloor a.
Bonitiro.
What's the same name as we view boys in Yamasa to the Abam? We never open, no Coton. Jimmy
Bonitiro.
Nobody throw any Jimmy Nabamo, Jimmy or Jimmy. Now, school has to look any answer. Now, I to you.
Damian.
Hey, what do you had? What about man? And I'll come out here for you. I'm going to be Sunday. Why? Almost say, when I saw your name, Jimmy Sam no ba wi ade na ebeka. O fa kwate fe ko wo fa do be school ba wo. Wo fa do be school wo. Wo fa do schoolness. Wo fa do be school. O ba bo kro no. Asa ka ba fi. We di eniema. We di eniema emu ofo no o de remo. Wo fa ya le se ble me power so mu o. Adam. Mi do nya me. Wo do nya ka me ba. Me wuni me. Me wuni me. Mo here me dia kolono me so the ordinary sector be so be minimum me can be say wo jabe can me me mbo dua bo pa bo bi be ma pa ne to ase bo mu dua be se me yeah ata ma we dey to agu so si e do mo djuma me di
Oh, Adams. Yo!
Miss Ghana. Right.
Oh, yeah, ready.
That make us feel uncomfortable in this. What is all this?
I'm comfortable. What is all this?
A simple.
But I really said no later.
That's what Papa did to do. Boy, the school days had the maintenance. You buy a deal we are. No defending. No.
Kwabra, me do Yankopon come me, I take come papa, me Kwabra. So Jimmy do us some baha. Kwabra one look at so jai na fe die biem. Ma jai. Keep me what jai dey jai. Abofu wo jai kokota. Wo nya ne ma biem you say niema we na akwakonsa. Ma jai. Keep me abofu ko no dey save you ko mi si jai dey na me nyo. Ade na person ogu manima se wasa.
Enye mia. Ha? Ensuo na eba na me ko yi omo ne ma na o dry line so. Me boni ama ya no, me di duru omo anim wona na mo se o ne me nji we nche. Ana me share omo se o mo betwa o TikTok content. Iti bi omo de camera to me so ana konfo.
Hey, Radi Yankopon. Radi Jimmy. Wo konfo se twa ntro sa ka won Kwabra. Wo sangi ntum so wi ade ade minim wo. Me ba no minim so wa wia.
Ah, yeah.
Kwabra na dey.
Me ka se
Ade na hamsa. Ramsa, ana person go menu ma say Kwabra obenye msukuma ne friu. Kwabra dey.
Aka no.
Ana be go say.
Ensu mesisa. Mesisa ya botiro he. O bompa ya no aka.
Kwabra kume. Uye se bi si what no. Utibe dani o tiku woni se be dani akọ otiko. Wo madam. Wo dey feel ku menu so wo feel wi ade biem.
Daddy, abublo kosia, ade be ye inside. Ade bia wo future bia na sa na tie wo mfa no trotro kwa ntime ye oba wontime nya da empome enu tina be twitwa jeme ntime kura me da ase wa manka metine ho nyina adade mo tsae ho na sesa ati
Radi wo mobo oyin kese na dey na dey so we say mame he so we dey
na da Scanty
Yem han ma bejina
Adams
so
ewiase
ewiase me de zero appointment ma mojo be benyu
twa kete Maria na won we hwe che obe school oba o fa de obe na school ma for headmaster mo so mo mpene so me ma so mo gi me ye nkakra die ne din fam na wo de be school ma ba ye so nye ye so ye konkonsa
o ba na akokoro na wo jimi me biography
ni ye futuo Adams ye futuo enye hwe unu aketua no na ye dey unu ye futuo na eso de ma no unu ye ade a ti se fan se won kase wo ye no ofre no me nu aketua na kotas no otumfo menye sa biem enye fe so ye se sa wo de nim gose ma ye what is that
papa
wo de nim gose enye fe
ene da wa kanya nsasem ka bo nka me pa bo nso me donya me say
Say.
You're calling me, say here.
I'm even confused. I don't even know what to tell you this afternoon. I don't even know what to tell you this afternoon. It's serious because there has been an issue circulating on campus. I don't know if you know anything about it.
What is it about?
Say it's about school nurse.
What has
His
he done?
son.
Mm-hmm.
I never knew that guy is a thief.
A thief?
Say, do you believe, say, the entire area of campus, your hostel,
what?
Share.
School nurse never now bar recently.
Newcomers here, we introduce you or more Nebano.
I am the way you need to call school nurse, baby.
Exactly. School nurse, your nurse, yeah, or she will school must say. Headmaster.
I said it. Or they are calling ba. Or say calling mono who will be a man no crown coming in ya Kazakasa woman in Yami. Cassetiam catchers are calling so him say, why are call a bonia, man for them because men pets will be able to school my baby saying me. Men pet troubles, Kakana one na ye. It's enough.
And the one kind of crown showing him the vanity me yet. It's not in the because the ban your crown for me climate is any previous school no car. If you are no course, no, we are there. Any in the
how long now by what shall say we are?
That day now by we introduce or more a assembly ground son or shall say we are due.
And also papa meant me car she
on Becca. No, madam will be in the attire, you know, yes, a baby, only your better so I can't. I say, a baby in dear, what would you ma? Obetachi.
Obabunia.
Cause Obabu and Jenna.
Obabunia. Oh, school her.
Intend one mechanic show.
So be bad, Diana Quebec would be an Katsami. On only the other day be.
So let's say school reputation.
I know what to do. Thank you very much. But that's a I know what to do. I know how to handle
him. Because I saw fellow. The banning to me, shock I say, obey Pentecost be in the banama. Oh, you need mad.
Na so nyina ma ne ba no suba yi onanka sama ana
no be kan
I know e no see so e ni bedwom na ma che no ana ma nche no
onu ni ndi otimi ka
ma nche no
ye chi no
ana mi nyina na apart from you obi aso nya na adwo so bo ma so ate
see the school mo ade oni say we rules so I say bibia why we have channel I was say fa and sana get it to you.
That's all school lesson. They be on a break channel. On the sea, I know I can. So maybe the answer on kind. Good. That's bad.
Yeah, I'm in Pankwana, I know the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso with Maya. Me, person me come any months with your Maya. Oh, Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh, yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah.
Hello,
Madam, Scanty, madam.
Oh my goodness.
How are you?
I haven't saw my eyes in you in this school before. Are you schooling here?
Oh, Scanty, madam, you don't remember me?
Who is she? Hey, oh my God! You have changed lessons, so I haven't saw you well.
Yeah, it's me.
Hey, you make fresh, Papa.
Oh, thank you.
Oh my goodness.
You're also looking very beautiful.
Thank you.
Wow, wow.
Oh my goodness. I haven't saw you more on the canteen room. Why?
I've been trying to avoid canteen because I don't really like the food.
No, it's not nicely. Your stomach will get worse.
How come?
No, come and let me feed you. Hey.
You feed me.
It's how you kasa with the and he said, why didn't know it's a fine boy?
I was born with it, madam.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, it's involuntary.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's not my fault.
Sorry. You have to come. I will needed you. I have to feed you so that you become fully.
But I like food though. I like food though.
I'll give you specific food.
Special food?
Yes, only for you.
I'll come.
Okay.
I'm waiting. When do you want me to come?
Oh, even tonight, I can need you.
This evening?
Of course.
You will give me food.
Oh, don't worry.
But are you kidding me? Are you serious?
It's truly. I'm seriously.
So should we go? Me, I want food though.
Oh, really? Should we go?
We can go together right
now. Let's go. Why not?
I don't catch you. That's why I like you.
Yeah, me too.
I like you.
So, in your romantic way, is that your inside you? It's calm.
In my what way?
In your romantic way, is this calm? I want to know the deeply you. That's what I'm asking.
That if I'm on top of a girl.
Yeah, something like that.
No. In the bedroom.
Oh, that's something like that.
The sickness will go
away. Really? Let's go.
Hey, MK, dear, I'm at in school.
Are
so say me catch say wo ba no wo prese akola gidi and me catch say akola wanya akola pa because we akola pa nka bebia wo nka wo prese yenyi na di
anyone ebra headmaster yon say de minim de opa akere
wo ba no anya krono na obo no school mu ha wo ba no krono na obo no school mu ha
me member go
ba no bo krono no school mu ha na wo ba bo krono nti wo so untimi nka
he senti
wo nko ho no ma akola no ma krono ma mo nche no ma wo nko twiu tatu say wo boduada
wane so me ba na bokro no so ba wane so ko wi de akra muniema efin mo si muniema hatata na nsu to na akra na yi di abrema mo se mo de asa akra so na awia
ono da be na akra nsu ya laundry adwuma say black or laundry kra no wo meyi students na nwu na wo ba no
headmaster se wane be ka asa asem ni kire o wane be ka asa asem ni kire o
So Usubai cry because I thought that a syringe a no be cry here. Yes, I Usubai or the woman. And then the crack a Benis in Mechanism or Banabokron match. What the Monu Benis no bottom. And then the crack of Mechanism or Banabokron. I catch us in Banano will be an unknown and to Bano where you come for. And then Mechanism Benis or your concern. We will concern Benis because I don't know Bano Concon quite a mammy. Will be in the crowd to make a Bano Yashi or you be a commander who we are there. Are they more senior Mahata on say, and so better now crab Modia Papa say ye near my dear big goes and so one Modia Yamuniema, a bucket and I in Soto. A real boy sooner than I'm a real boy also on Craffle. I didn't mean to cough. Once I won't canoe cray. Send it saying canoe cray, what I'll be canoe crano. The basin yet. Maybe I must have better on this own mo. Maybe Bam so my boy, some baby apple cronoda. Eh, woman in the moment chamber. What's some baby apple cronoda? Headmaster, bid you up with Allah. What book chronoma sound be doing a me, me doing a me. Say, gymnast or man, a binya chrono, me made well overheading. Overheading. Huh? Overheading. Cause see how overheading. Who's come on, may you ready? Whoa. May you ready? Headmaster, may you ready? Ye dear me no meaning an echo. May you ready? Ye missing me. Mimi come here. Overheading. Eh? Overheading. Mimi overheading. Overheading.
Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me ya. Me person me come any months so me ya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. Pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way.
Hey. Moy, sa ababa obi no hinfa. It's that Benny's Binos and wine. Efa no. As I'm to Efa. Hey, can't confirm, ma'am. Mutisku, Manu Mutisku, Manu Ade.
The school is the my day.
School, my Yabamam, mobile school, and answer with deans and some.
Quincy, the my day.
Mobile school, and answer with deans some. Mobile school, no opportunity to kill you. No more person, Yaman Boroso. Era make out row. Swaswa fufra. Name so. Make come was wanted. What's off for when Nimsa bros? What will you say? Fagona, I don't know. Who the woo to me opportunity to me could draw. It's me, echo boy headmaster man here. It's a me buy a crumb for me, me baby. Me buy it, me buy a crumb for. Now why? Headmaster no kind or slow no kind. So na be mimi di. No bo mimi di. Wo bo mimi di. Won support. Wo bo mimi di wate. Wo be jam no chase. Wo na school ma na miss. Wo na wo fe. Chepe penny. Chepe papa no. Wo timi ko bo amane. Hwe menenyo first and last. Se wonim na wonim. Na do wo fra me ne me ba so.
Onu so say dey.
Wonim na do wo fra me ne me ba so. One way who ye.
Soonest men can't show your kind of Konoko Bisani ye.
One I can, you make sure small one.
Which me many.
One a kind. No, who say he ya shapuna ye. What's it?
Pay you, we pay you, pay the only man.
One penny. What the next I have to do. One hour crumful. 1 hour crumful. I do bay ya say me bano. One I do bay ya say no. What it? Nye would be a show near say. A show near to dear so headmaster chimp and pa. One in a chimp. One in a chimp and uncle Bonamania. Would you say, Mamma, oh, Mamma, old Johnson, so Tony, man, me, maybe a man, Uncle Bonamania, Quanamia. So dear Bewo, young co, so dear Bewo. Would dear Bewo, milk or 7 minutes back. Have me the young from you. A bear sounds on a can. Wait, when I can't go.
Hey,
wood war. Woodson. Mister Micoboma, man, yes, school now by you school now by school by chimpna. A quackle school by chimpna. When you're from woody dimpen you for it. Oh, when they're woo. Oh, yeah, Fancola, they jump you for no. Yeah, from pay and cola. Yeah, Fancola. Oh, nice, said your boy a tennis ball. Next time, Muntunufo. Manu said the oil and some phone. Muntunufo. Who to a far enye no ano no. Tunufo. About them. Next time, yeah, Nabu.
Ada asempe ni obi akwa na ade na mdo babo me.
Alice we na no ya sa.
We de hu hwe o. Then na me so
Right ben na wo so
na oba ha na oba odi na asemba me so no ehu.
Na ne ba ni wi ade na mu na mu njina bi.
Na wo akodi konkonsa ni ma konkonsa. Me adu eni bebe so am so. Right for some crama. You guys fighting. Wo akodi konkonsa kire nipa no na obe hot wa. Wo hu so obobo me wa ha say. E ma me bu.
O the offense and last so the try be.
Share Ben Smith.
You don't
want to fight on this matter. What me am sure be na am kasa what me am sure buhu me ka kire miss how me de ho de o chide
so de o choko siasema o de next time we come as masasri
o de ya ni tire me ka
asantua
school ma so na some go and that's another end boy okay
Katie, as I'm talking to you right now, Katie, I don't have a kobo on me. I don't have not even a single one CD.
Do you know that
Katie.
you lie, Brad?
What?
What? The month is ending, so you have to give me the half money of your payment so that I can certification. What do you want to tell me?
Katie, sweetie, the last time, what did I told you? I told you I bought my son in this school, so I don't have any kobo on me. I spent a lot on him.
Does I care? Is that concerned me?
Katie!
I did not care because let me told you, mountain salary, you have to share and give me my cap of the payment so that I can be certification.
Katie, you don't mean it. You're not serious at all, Katie.
And then it's over. Because if your pocket is not advisable, you won't champion. So,
honey, don't ever try to leave me. Don't ever try to play this nonsense on me, Katie. You will regret it.
You are insulted, right?
No.
Then you mean it. I cannot tolerate all this. So if you know it's over there, then don't give me.
Katie, so let me ask you a question. Do you love me? Katie, do you love me?
Love a little bit, money a little bit.
Katie,
Saga.
Katie, you're not serious.
So,
you mean all this while the money I've spent on you?
What is the end and beginning?
The end and beginning means, Katie, right now, I don't have any money. I own a lot of people right now. I have to pay them. You know, I borrow a lot of money and I have to pay them.
That doesn't concern my money.
Katie, it concerns you because you are my wife. It concerns you.
My wife. Krachi, let me told you that if you not give me the month, because it's almost ending of this month and I am doing my calculation my own because I'm gonna buy stuffs. So you have to give me the money early now or else it's over.
Katie, don't try to be ungrateful. Don't try to be ungrateful woman, because for all these years I've spent a lot of money on you. All the money that you are asking, I always give it to you. Right now, what do you want me to do? Right now, I don't have money. You want to leave me, Katie?
That's a little bit.
Don't try it, Katie. Don't try. If you do, I'll tell your husband that you and I.
Oh my God! See him. You are funny enough, Papa. Hey, send me name say your mind is a low.
Katie,
you're trying to tell my husband.
Yes. If you try to do any nonsense, I will tell your husband everything what is happening between me and you.
You don't know me. Try. Do you know Papa? And now, friends, let me tell you this. You are going to eat the same the students eat, no? The same thing. Because I'm not going to do your food special
Katie, you lie bad.
Again.
Katie, you lie bad.
Okay.
You lie bad. Don't try
me. You don't know the bad side of me. Try me and see.
Katie,
you are going to tell my husband. What is husband meaning for?
Katie, you know you're a woman. You know I'm a man. I've already have a lot of shame in this school, so I don't care. I don't give a hook. But you, if I tell your husband, you know what will happen, Katie.
You don't know that me before. I am a confrontation, and I'm going to use a confrontation to curse you.
Okay, we shall see, Kelly. I'm going to tell your husband.
Hey, Salo! Salo! Don't do that!